think we might have watched a couple of clips of productions in class, but a lot of mine was for independent working, which was really great for me because you can access Digital Theatre Plus wherever you are. But it also meant that I could use it at home as much as I like, which I did half of my degree during COVID, during the pandemic. So having access to DT Plus was just an absolute lifesaver. So I really loved all of the resources on A Doll's House. That was actually my final year final production. I was looking for digital resources and I came across Digital Theatre Plus in my emails from my lecturer. I logged on and typed in A Doll's House and so much stuff came up. So it meant that I could use the video resources, it meant that I could use the e-learning videos, the study guides, all of the lesson plans were also really helpful. So it really helped to not only boost my grades, but also just boost my overall understanding of the text, which then meant that when I was acting it as well, I'd seen interpretations of it before, and that really helped me not only understand the text, but also be a better actor because of it. Well, there was a great deal of crossover between English and drama because Digital Theatre Plus covers both, and my degree was equal parts English and drama. It meant that I could use it for both sides of the coin. There's the entire works of Shakespeare on there, and I'm not one of those people that finds Shakespeare easy to get into whatsoever. Unless I'm watching a production, I don't read the text and it immediately jumps out at me. I'm not one of those people that can read one of the monologues or soliloquies and understand what it means straight away. Digital Theatre Plus is great for recapping things that you already know and have been taught at sixth form. For instance, it teaches you all of the language stuff that you need to know when you are doing your degree. But I also found, especially with the study guides and the essays that are on the site, when you go to university, it's almost like you're expected to already be at university level of writing. So you might have all the knowledge, but no one teaches you exactly how to kind of structure essays. And having access to all of the essays was great because it shows you how to write it. It also teaches you all of the basics as well on the site, which is, again, amazing for recapping and also teaching you stuff. Like I learned so much stuff that I didn't know already.